y'all see what I have? Like, for real, for real. Got that Juvia's Place foundation. Oh my god. So we're gonna try to make this video as easy and simple because there are so many videos out there. So we're just gonna go ahead and dive into it. I bought 3 different shades. Looking at other videos, trying to see who I match best with. You know, you have those couple of YouTubers who you follow, oh, she's my match. So I have 3 different shades. I have shade 300 Gabon, 210 Togo, and 310 Burkina. So I'm excited to see which one is going to match. I'm going to get, let me get me a brush here. Okay, you know what? I'm excited, y'all. Let's start with 300 Gabon. So I'm going to just a flat top brush. And because I hear a lot goes a long way. Oh, come on. Girl, it's a seal on it. Alright, so we're back. Eyebrows decent enough for this swatch. And let's go. I said we were going to start with Gabon 300. Shade 300. Let's see. And we're just going to do a little dab. Ooh, that may even be too much. This looks like it's maybe like comparable to 356 warm coconut. Let's see what we got. That's pretty. Okay, that's 356. I mean, this is Burkina 310. Let's go, Burkina. I wipe this off so we have a clean brush. Make sure we'll have no excess. All right. Ooh, that came out. Okay. Let me make sure, because it looks like Gabon 300. So it's in the 300 family. I wonder why. All right, so this is 300 family too. Let's go here. That may be too bright, but do y'all see this coverage? Okay, so that may be too bright. All right. So this is darker, and I put too much on there. All right, so this is Togo 210. This is dark. Okay, so we know Togo is not it because that's way dark than my chest. Way dark. So, what are we gonna do? I think we're gonna go with Gabon 300. Yeah, I think so. I still can't decide between the two. I've eliminated one, which was Togo, of course. So I'm back at 300 Gabon and Burkina 310. This is 310. Okay, so Obviously, this has to be it, right? I'm stressed. I'm legit stressed. All right, so we are back. I went ahead, wiped all of that off. There are 3 different shades. We decided to go with Burkina 310 in the Juvia's place. I'm hoping it's a good match. Hoping it's gonna look right. Fingers crossed. Smaller amount. And I'm gonna dab it. So this was probably one full pump. I mean, not one full pump, but one full drop. Very small, very small amount. Which brush do I want to use? Let's go in with, should we go with the Real Techniques? Yeah, why not? I wonder. We're gonna go with the Real Techniques Instapop, I think. Alright, let's go. Whoa. Whoa. Oh my god. Look at the match. Are we matching? I'm nervous. Alright. And I did not put a lot on. You're so used to like giving full pumps of product or foundation for most foundations. So, and this was not a full, this is just one little dab. I feel like it's too light. Like it's too light. Oh. That's not it. That's not it. Nope. I don't think this is it. You know what I will do? I'm gonna go and wipe off half of my face. This side, my right side, is Burkina. Okay? We're gonna go in with Gabon 300. This side is already done. It's lighter. I don't think I like the way it's settled. So, we're gonna go in with Gabon 300 and see what happens. So I'm going in with my Morphe 439, you know, a different brush from the Real Techniques, just because I probably had leftover product from it, from the 300. All right. Okay. Y'all, this coverage is like beyond. I did not color correct. The only thing I kept putting on, since I wiped my face a couple of times, is just primer. But I have not color corrected at all. And I usually, you know, get these spots here, get here, around your mouth. I have not color corrected at all. Okay. You can definitely see a difference. Although I don't have as much as 300, which is the Burkina on my right side. You can definitely tell it's much lighter than the Gabon 300. So I'm definitely liking the 300 better, right? We at 300. Yeah, I'm liking the 300 better. Woo, baby, this coverage is flawless. Okay, so now that we've made that decision, you see how lighter this is? All right, we're about to wipe this off, okay? And then we're gonna go back in. I'll be back. We're gonna do the full face with 300 Gabon. All right, we back. Take number 97 up in this piece. All right, so we are with shade Gabon, number 300. And we in there like swimwear. All right, I did not color correct or anything of the sort.
Yeah, this coverage, oh my god. This coverage is amazing. It's nice, it's a thick consistency. As you can see, just, it ain't moving.
Oh, this finish is so nice. And it does say, of course, if you've heard probably, velvety matte foundation. I'm scared about that because I am an oily girl, and I could only hope that you know, at the end of the day or end of extended wear, you know, 6 hours, maybe 8, that I'm not looking like a grease ball. But we're gonna try that out another day. Today is just to get the shade right and to check out this coverage. Okay, so we stuck with the Gabon number 300, shade 300. The coverage, y'all, is flawless. I did not color create. I did not color. I did not color correct for this foundation at all. I just did my normal primer. And this coverage is amazing. It's ridiculously amazing. This is 300. I'm still torn in between. I feel like maybe should I mix 300 and 310 together to make, because this is a little deep. 300 is a deep color, and you can tell the difference of my chest. So I'm torn. But I really legit feel that I should not have to mix the foundations because it's Juvia's. Like, it's a perfect shade out there for me. Oh, what's the shade? Is it 300, 310? Is it a mixture of 300, 310? I don't know. I don't know. But this coverage is amazing. Definitely flawless, definitely full coverage, definitely nice and matte actually, because I'm always scared of velvety or dewy. I don't like it.
Okay, so we having some technical difficulties. Okay, so don't mind the background. Don't mind the background, that's it. Legit, don't even mind it. Highlighted areas, I don't bake, so I'll immediately just go ahead and wipe this off.
this Juvia's Place foundation, I am using the shade 300 Gabon. I really like it. I like the shade. And I finished my face just as normal as I would with the highlighting. I'm going in with 312 and then the top, no, 313. Then dabbing just a little bit of 312 on top just to brighten it a little bit. But I kept everything else simple. No shadow or anything like that. Just a little highlight because we got to have the highlight, period. A little blush, of course, that was Juvia's Place. This foundation is, I did not color correct. I did not color correct, period. So it's real nice. It's very light. It doesn't feel heavy. I don't feel like I look cakey. It looks really, really natural, very smooth. Let me know in the comments below what shade you are going to try. Let me know if you think I should try a different shade, because I was in between 300 and 310 Gabon and Burkina. So if you think there's another shade out there that I definitely have to try, please let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate it. Again, I do apologize for this background. Okay, technical difficulties. So much for watching. I will see you next time. Be safe.